My junior year of high school here at Kamehameha Maui, I happened to come across a video of Kumukale Koa Ka'eo talking about Hawaii in the 1800s, in the late 1800s, the overthrow, as well as the founding of our school. And he had mentioned the grand opening of the school in 1887. Kalakaua was the honored guest, and he was giving a speech to the students of Kamehameha School in Hawaiian. But when the first principal of Kamehameha Schools, William Brewster Olson, heard our language, he had no aloha for it. He didn't want to hear that disgusting language of the savages, and he banned Hawaiian at Kamehameha Schools, and he instilled punishments for boys caught speaking the language of their families. William Brewster Olson, that first principal, was the one who wrote Sons of Hawaii. And so when we sing that song, we're singing his song. This song that we continue to sing today, Sons of Hawaii, was written by this haole principal who had no aloha for his po'e haumāna, his native Hawaiian students. And so I continued here at Kamehameha Schools, and I took the Hawaiian 4 class of Kumukale. And the main project of this class at the end of the semester is to haku a mele. And we sat down and we were talking, and I shared with her this mo'olelo of Olson, and that I wanted to write a song for our school, a mele aloha for our school. And so as the semester kept on going, and I was writing this song, many different mana'o came up between us, fond memories of my time here, of her time at Kapalama, and me wanting this song to be as ma'e and nani as possible. I reached out to as many kumu as I could, and they gave me their mana'o kāko'o, their mana'o ho'ikaika, and that's how this mele came to be. This mele serves as a call to action. And in this mele, all of us are called the Pua Pauahi, the Māmakakaua Kamehameha. We are the ʻAʻapueo and the ki pu'upu'u of Waimea. And we are called together to mahalo and to aloha our kula, our founder, and our namesake. In the mele, Pāhola Mai Ke Aloha kalani, calling out these winds of our aina of Kamehameha Schools. The olau niu of Kapalama, the wind that is strong enough to pierce the coconut frond. That's how strong her aloha is for us. The makani luhau pua of Kea'au, scattering the dew on the petals of the flowers. That's how generously and how lavishly Pauahi provided for us. And the kiu of ʻAʻapueo isn't just a gentle caress. It's a wind that pushes us, and it pushes us forward, just like the aloha of Pauahi pushes us forward, not to be stuck where we are, but to continue to holomua. It reminds us that these winds are what carries our aloha for our founder and her aloha to us. That's how we see what her aloha looks like, what her aloha feels like. So the strong wind of the olau niu, and the dew scattering luhau pua, and that strong push of the kiu, that's what her aloha feels like.